Hey, it's Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another video. This video is for the DIY Mommy's Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge. In this video, we were challenged to decorate an outdoor space, whether it's a deck, a patio, backyard, front porch, you name it, we were supposed to decorate it. Now, several YouTubers have joined in, and I will make sure to link to the playlist below so that you can get other inspiration from other YouTubers like myself and see what they did for this challenge. Now, for my video, I decided to do our front porch. Since we moved in, it's basically been either fall or winter and rainy weather. So I haven't really done much to the space, and it's been very bare and plain, and I decided that this would be the perfect time to give it a spruce. Now, if you are new to my channel, I would ask you to consider subscribing and hitting that little notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video like this. Now, with that being said, let's get on to this challenge. Now, since it's Memorial Day weekend, I wanted to do something for the holiday, and I've always loved these wreaths, but they can be so expensive. So I decided to go to my local Dollar Tree and get some of their red, white, and blue roses that they have for the occasion. And I was surprised at how good quality they were. I knew I wanted to put them on a wreath, and I wasn't sure at this point whether I was going to go with styrofoam or the wire, but I ended up choosing the wire from a Dollar Tree. And the first thing I did was remove the little rose buds and kind of place them on there to see what it would look like before I decided to glue them down. Now, I wanted the wreath to be full and look, high quality. So I wanted to use everything in the little rose bushes. Now, if you look at the little leaves, I had to remove the little plastic inserts that they had in order for me to actually put them right underneath the rose and make it a little fuller. And with a little bit of glue, they adhered just fine. Now, this wreath actually cost me $10, including all of the bushels of roses that I bought from Dollar Tree and that wire wreath. And if you're wondering, it only took me about an hour to create this entire wreath from start to finish, which was great because it really didn't take a lot of time at all. And I was so excited because it actually turned out better than I ever expected. Now onto our super plain porch. Let me tell you guys, all I had was a doormat and a little plaque that my daughter had made for me a little while ago. I started off by cleaning all of the surfaces like the windows, the doors, the trim, and sweeping the floor. Now, our doormat was kind of small and it would get lost in all of the bricks, so I decided to purchase another accent rug from my local at-home store and layer it. And now it brings a lot more focus to that front entrance. I also have this cute little nook to the left of my front door, and I decided to add a little chair and cushion as well. I also added these planters that I actually had in my old house. I took them with me because I love them so much, and I added some annuals along with these sweet potato vines that once they start growing, they actually will overflow in front of them really nicely. And of course, who can forget my Memorial Day wreath? And then I added a small little side table with a couple of accessories. And I made sure to return my little daughter's plaque. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed what I did to my front porch. It doesn't take a lot to transform an entrance. A little bit of flowers, a rug, maybe even a chair and a pillow or anything like that can really do a lot to greet your guests when they come up to your front porch, and it can be done in just a couple of hours. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed the content. And again, subscribe if you like this video and would continue to see more like this. Now, with that being said, I'm glad you came by and checked out the challenge, and I will see you guys in the next video.